Hi guys, it's me Riz and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. So for today's video, we're gonna do a haul from YesStyle, and this is my very first ever na pag-purchase sa kanila since na naging influencer po ako nila. If you have Instagram guys, you can follow YesStyle, and doon may mga updates sila about sa kanilang mga products and anything. I have something to tell you that this is a good news because today is a Black Friday, November 20, 2020. Meaningful siya guys, diba? So, before 11/11/11, so it's a single day. Now is a November 20, 2020. So, YesStyle having a giveaway starting today until 20th of November, $12,000 worth of coupons. So, isa ka sa mananalo, then you are lucky. So, yung kanilang Instagram guys, so you can follow YesStyle. And every time guys na meron silang may ipopost something na mga giveaway, at least ma-update ka, and then you can join. On how to join, how to enter, all you need to do is to share the first image of this post to your Instagram. So, if you have Instagram guys, share this picture, this photo, and you can write the hashtag YesStyleTGIBF and post within, starting today, the last is follow the YesStyle on Instagram. That's it guys. It's very easy yung kanilang mechanics guys sa kanilang giveaway because they choose 185 winners will be randomly selected. So, hindi natin alam guys kung sino doon dahil isa din ako na sumali doon. And, of course, guys, don't forget guys, wag na natin palampasin to. Let's join the YesStyle giveaway Black Friday. Yes, Black Friday sale. So, with the hashtag, don't forget to write the hashtag YesStyleTGIBF, and you can mention also the YesStyle. So, I'm so excited. Sana isa ako sa mga mananalo. So, if you want to shop in YesStyle starting today until the 20th of November, use their code 2020 Black Fry to get extra 15% off of all your orders. And also, you can use my code guys, Rizzer10 is for the additional discount of your order. That's it guys, ang giveaway ng YesStyle. Good luck to all of us guys. So guys, wag na natin patagalin itong video na to, and I'm so excited to present with you what's inside this box. So, this is the box from YesStyle. Yoo-hoo! Actually guys, inopen ko na siya kasi I checked it. I received this box last Tuesday afternoon. So, I'm so excited to share it with you what's inside the box. So, ito yung pag-open ko. Grabe. Meron pa talaga siyang guys, nakabalot na cellophane na something like that. Siguro sa warehouse ng hindi ko alam kung saan mga warehouse. So, this is the inside of the box. Ayan. Before ko ipapakita ito, meron pa pala akong sasabihin sa inyo na first time ko na nag-purchase sa YesStyle since naging influencer po nila ako. So, before, nag-shop na ako, pero hindi pa ako influencer noon. And I'm using the other codes from other influencers. But now, I am one of their influencer, and one of my favorite wish list sa YesStyle, yung abot kaya ko lang guys na bilhin. Kasi yung iba, may mga wish list din ako na medyo kamahalan siya. So, hindi ko pa pwede yun bilhin for now. But someday, I wanna buy that items. Why I decided to purchase some of my favorite in YesStyle items, it's because this previous Halloween, I joined the campaign from YesStyle for the influencer campaign that we posted something from their products and for our social medias, and isa ako sa mga napili na nabigyan ng nanalo hindi nabigyan. Isa ako sa mga nanalo doon guys ng campaign, Halloween campaign from YesStyle, and thank you very much YesStyle because you appreciated my videos. So, ito yun guys, ililive ko dito sa taas yung videos na yun. Of course, you can follow me on my Instagram, Miss Chinita_Rwiz. Nanalo ako ng $10 sa kanilang giveaway. Hindi naman kasi siya as in na maganda ako mag-video. Kasi guys, may mga famous influencer na dito sa YesStyle na ang gaganda nila gumawa ng video. And because I'm busy sa aking work here in Taiwan, I cannot do or something like I can't spend my all time to do a video or makapag-edit ako ng bonggang-bongga. So, wala. So, eto na guys. Ito, bubuksan na natin to. Okay, sige na nga. Bubuksan na natin to. Okay, so, wait. Meron pa pala akong sasabihin. As you can see, bago po yung look natin. Nagpakulay po ako ng buhok. Kinulayan ko po siya ng black tonight. And parang maganda yung black sa akin guys. I'm wearing earrings guys from Shopee. Ayan. And this is my top is from Shein. So, ayan. Na-featured ko na to guys sa aking previous vlog. So, ililive ko lang dito sa taas yung video na yon. Ito na. Bubuksan na natin to. And I can't wait na ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, ito na nga. Oh. Ito na, first item na ipapakita ko sa inyo, which is, ito na siya. Tcharan! Isa lang to guys. Isa lang na damit yung kinuha ko. Dahil, mas gusto ko yung more on skincare ako guys. Kasi, mas importante sa akin yung face ko. And, alam niyo naman na nagpupuyat ako dito. So, panlaban siya guys. So, I bought this. Ililive ko din dito sa screen, guys, ha, yung pictures na yon. And if you are interested, nasa description box po yung kanilang, or yung mga items na to, okay? So, marami ang nakikita ko nito sa social media, guys. And, ano ba to? Ang ingay guys, kasi tulog na yung ibang tao dito. So, this is the top. Ayan, crop top siya. Hala, parang malaki siya sa akin. My goodness. Parang malaki siya sa akin, guys. Ayan. Sukatin natin. So, guys, ito na yung item na yon. Bakit parang sa video, parang nakaganon talaga yung boobie? Pero sa akin, hindi kasi, guys. Yan nyo. So, okay lang naman siya, guys. Sakto yung dito niya, guys. As in, I like it. At very comfy. At saka yung material. At saka yung texture ng tela niya. Gustong-gusto ko siya. As in, napaka-comfortable lang talaga niya. At saka hindi siya mainit. So, gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. Ayan. Ang aking concern lang is maluwag siya ng konti. Diba? Parang mapasukan siya ng hangin sa loob. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. This is the beauty. Ayan. So, sa likod, ganyan siya. Okay. So, ganyan yung beauty, guys, ng crop top na to. So, okay lang naman siya. So, if you have a big boobie, it's more good kasi mai-emphasize talaga yung eto niya, oh, yung ganito niya. So, ganun. At saka, pwede siyang ano guys, mabuksan niyang ganito. Eto. As in, pwede siyang ma-open up. Ma-open wide, something like that. So, I like it. So, ito na yung isusuot ko, guys. And if you are asking me, guys, kung ano yung nilagay ko sa buhok ko, pang kulay, it's from the brand Hair System. So, maganda siya, guys. At ang bango ng hair color at hindi siya matapang yung chemicals. Unlike sa ibang hair color, matapang siya. So, eto maganda yung Hair System. Hair System, sa pagkakaalam ko, maganda siyang brand. At saka, mura lang siya guys ngayon sa Watsons. Nag-sale siya ng $149. So, hurry up and buy na sa Watsons. So, ilalagay ko din guys sa baba yung links. And if you are interested, binili ko siya sa Shein. Ayan. Next guys, na i-open natin. Ito na talaga siya. Ito na talaga siya. Tcharam! Oh my God. So, meron pa siyang paper dito. Receipt. Kung ano yung binili mo. So, ito na yung lahat. Ayan. So, first na ating bubuksan or ipapakita sa inyo ay ito yung sponsored product, guys. So, we're gonna do a review of these products from Rwizvlogs Cosmetics. Ayan. Rwizvlogs Skin Essentials Conditioning Cleanser, Advanced Formula, Hypoallergenic, and 175 ml siya, guys. Ayan. So, conditioning cleanser. Wow. I can't wait na i-review natin to. Okay. Next na ating bubuksan ay this is also a free from Pure Derm. Parang familiar itong brand na to. From Pure Derm kasi hindi ko lang alam yung aking okay, iba siya. Yung aking aloe vera soothing gel na ginagamit, guys, which is paubos na siya from Nature Face. Before Bella siya and Pure Derm din siya na brand. So parang na-shock ako, parang familiar siya sa akin. Pure Derm for your pure skin. Aloe vera mask. Ito. Of course, I'm using a mask, guys. I have a mask. Good morning mask to, guys, from Saborino, Japan. So this is one of my favorite masks as well. So Saborino, good morning mask. So every time na bago kang gising, ayan, after mo mag-wash, then you can use Saborino. So aloe vera collagen mask. Easy and effective skin moisturizing treatment blended with aloe extract, collagen, and vitamin E. Fully absorb Pure Derm's beneficial ingredients, hydrating, soothing, and relaxing. Okay. Next, meron tayong, this is from Mesa. Meron akong isa dito, which is ito siya. Ayan, bumili ako ng refill at saka ito. So, same lang sila, guys. And, refill lang to siya, guys. And, of course, ito yung kanyang, talaga, beauty. Ayan. So, in the shade of medium beige, number 23 from Mesa. Ayan. Actually, guys, ito, trinay ko na siya kasi nung Wednesday, dinala ko to siya dahil nagpa-appointment ako ng passport ko. So, ginamit ko to siya and I like it so much. So, this is the beauty. Okay. Next na ating bubuksan. This is a free gift, guys. Ayan. Yung lagayan siya ng sponge from Rhea Makeup Blender Beauty Sponge. Rabbit Ear Rose Gold. Ayan. Rose Gold yung kulay na binigay nila sa akin. Next na product from Milky Dress White Virgin. Wow. It brightens your skin gradually. Makes the dull skin of your body or face with pigments whitening and brightening. Wrinkle and whitening for all skin type. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kinuha ko to, pero parang siya. Of course, gusto ko siyang matry kasi napaka-interesting tong product na to. So, kaya gusto ko siya. Pinili ko to siya, guys. So, 65 grams siya, guys. We'll see. Let's open. Ayan siya. This is the beauty. Ayan. Okay. Parang siya. Ano ba to? Lotion ba to? Tingnan natin, guys. I-review natin yan one day. So, another one. This is from Milky Dress as well. Yes. Deo Peeling Gel, 50 ml. And, sa kilikili to, guys, sa armpit. Smooth and bright armpit effect. Peeling gel specialized in armpit, removes bad odor, melts dead skin, melts dead cell, and brightening dark armpit. So, kaya kung kinuha to, guys, kasi meron akong problem sa dead cell and brightens dark armpit. So, we'll try, guys. We'll try kung effective nga ba itong Deo Peeling Gel na to. We'll see, guys. I am so excited about these products. Okay, another free. Ito, by Wish Trend. Ayan. Ito, guys. Ayan. Vitamin 75 Maximizing Cream So, contains 75% vitamin water extract from sea buckthorn trees, vitamin 3, and natural oils that contains vitamin E, which purifies and revitalizes the skin. Ayan. So, this is the ingredients. Ayan. So, bakit siya free, guys? Bakit may mga free ako dito? Kasi, once kasi nung nag-purchase ka sa YesStyle, meron silang, depende kasi sa na-choose mong mga products, guys. Kasi, pag nakapili ka ng products na yon, they having a free. So, iba, wala. So, ito, free gifts siya every time sa stories ng IG. You can check it out, guys. And, meron silang pa-free gifts every time na mag-purchase ka, i-add to cart mo na siya kasi free siya. Every day, iba-iba yung free gifts ng YesStyle. Next, nagkataon guys na ito yung free gifts nung nag-purchase ako. Next, I have the, from the brand, ano ba to? Hindi ko siya makita. Basta false eyelashes siya guys, 3D-15 and 3 pairs na siya guys. Ayan. Kinuha ko to siya. Ayan. Gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya parang ano, plastic. Ayan. Gusto ko yung totoong hair na eyelashes. So, this is from the brand. Ano ba to? Hindi ko mabasa. Okay. Let's proceed to the another one. So, this is a soap. From Label Young, Sing the Natural Skin, Shocking Whitening Soap. So, kaya ko siya kinuha kasi shocking whitening soap daw siya, guys. So, we will try this. And, this is a 90 grams. Ayan. We'll try. I can't wait. And, the last one, guys, I have the last two. Ayan, kasi two siya. I have the 2 boxes. And, this is from the brand Eto Sapril. So, this is from the brand Eto Sapril Collagen Powder. 2 grams times 30 bugs. So, 1 month na siya, guys, na gagamitin mo. So, I have 2. Kailangan natin ng mga collagen powder. Something like that. Vitamin C, multivitamins, kailangan ng mga ganon guys sa ating katawan. Lalong-lalo na pag yung ating work is, alam mo yun, todong-todo or something puyat like me. So, I bought this 2 kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan naman ako magpo-purchase sa YesStyle. So, dalawa na yung aking pinurchase. We will try this. We will try this. So, guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga effect ng mga products na to. And that's it for our haul from YesStyle. And thank you so much, YesStyle, for the amazing products. And I can't wait to try this. All of this. So, nagulat ako kasi, ano siya, maganda yung packaging ng YesStyle. Ayan. Maganda yung packaging nila, guys. Kaya, na-amaze ako. Thank you so much. At saka, organize yung mga gamit. So, dagdag points. So, shop na kayo guys sa YesStyle, and don't forget sa kanilang giveaway. So, ililib ko lang guys sa description box yung kanilang mechanics, okay? So, thank you very much for sending me this, and I like it so much. We will try this very, very soon. So, thank you guys for watching. Sana guys na-enjoy kayo sa aking haul. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you soon. Bye! Good night!